Hello, dear Cancerians. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing really well in your life. So, this is a general reading for the whole year of 2021. Let's see what new year holds for you and let's start. So, I have pulled the cards for you. So, for January, we got the Emperor. The Emperor card is there. So it is kind of solid foundation, firm foundation. You are acting as a father figure to somebody, or you will find somebody who is a father figure to you, who is going to guide you in your ventures, in your life, in your personal life. Maybe you need somebody in your life who will guide you throughout the year. Okay, so there is somebody coming to your life in January 2021 who is going to guide you a lot, who is going to help you a lot in your ventures. Or if nobody is coming, then you are this person. You are going to be like this person, helping others to take their decisions, and you are creating a firm foundation for yourself in January 2021. It is a very good card for the start of the year, because what I can feel is you are going through a lot of turbulence. You are going through a lot of what I can say, obstacles in your life, and after all these obstacles you have learned a lot from your life, and that is how you became the emperor of your life. Okay, so in January you are going to do things that are making you very, very stable, very, very calm, and very, very respectable in the society. Okay, so in February 2021 we got this card of Seven of Wands. Can you see the person holding a wand, and there are lots of wands around him? So basically he's standing his own ground, he's standing his own foundation, he's creating his own foundation. He is not listening to somebody who is saying okay, just cut it out, okay, just let's take the shortcut for this particular route, or let's do this without thinking about anything. No, you are standing on your own ground. You are taking your own sweet time to do whatever you want to do in your life. You are not coming in anybody's trap, or anybody can't stop you just because they want to do it in that way. You are not going to follow them. You are going to create your own firm foundation, and you are going to stand your own ground in Feb 2021. It is a very beautiful energy again. And in March, let's see what March wants to say to you. So in March, we can see the Two of Pentacles. As you can see, this person is juggling these coins. So what I can see is in March you will be having two options of something. Maybe you will be having two job options, or two business ideas, or two people who relationships coming to you, or maybe you are weighing down the pros and cons of everything that whatever you are doing in your life. Okay, so in March you have to take decisions and choices. You will be served multiple options of a single thing, or relationship, or business, or whatever it is. You will get to know it, and you will know how to handle this, right? So you have pentacles in both the hands, so it is like nothing is lesser than the other, but you have to make a choice. Okay, Cancers, it is very, very important to make a choice, and if you make a good choice, then in April, this is the Nine of Cups. This is the wish fulfillment card. In April 2021, there's wish fulfillment, there's happiness, there is emotional stability. What I can see is you made a choice in March that leads to this happiness. What I can see is you are single. You are enjoying singlehood. Not basically single like you are breaking up from a relationship or something. No, it is kind of energy that what I'm picking is that you created it for yourself. This is your hard work. After your hard work, you get these cups filled with happiness and loyalty and good vibes. So it is basically you are enjoying your emotional stability, you are enjoying your wish fulfillment, you are very happy in the month of April basically. And in the month of May, this is the Hanged Man. In the month of May, it is kind of spiritual awakening thing. The Hanged Man for me is kind of spiritual awakening thing. You are stopping by, you are looking into yourself, you are thinking about everything possible that is coming your way in a spiritual way. You are on a spiritual journey in the month of May. So you will be thinking about the ideas, how to get closer to the divine, get closer to the universe. Okay, so you will be thinking about those ideas, or you might get somebody who will help you get to this journey, the Hanged Man. this person is like upside down, and he is looking to the world, to the universe in a different perspective than others. So it is kind of energy that you are going to pick in the month of May that will help you to get spiritually awakened. By the word spiritually awakened, I didn't meant to say enlightenment, but it is kind of some spiritual gains, some spiritual knowledge, some spiritual things that is coming your way, and you are gaining a lot of knowledge from that particular spiritual knowledge. Okay, so in June again you will be presented by two choices. This is Two of Swords. You are at a crossroad. You will feel yourself on a crossroad and you are not able to understand which road to go. You will be a little confused. You will be blindfolded. You feel yourself blindfolded. You don't know which way to go. You don't know which direction is good for you. You will be little confused about your choices in your life, or maybe the business choices or job choices or whatever this is. You are going to feel little bit confused, little bit off the ground, off the beat. So this is kind of energy what I'm picking for you in June, that you are on the crossroads and you are not able to understand which way to go. But trust me, if you trust your intuition, if you apply that spiritual knowledge in your day-to-day life, you will easily come out of this situation, Cancerians. No need to worry about this. I don't say this is a very, very big problem for you. It is big, but it is kind of that you can deal with very easily if you trust your intuition, trust yourself, trust what you have learned from your life till now. Okay, so this is for June. And July, Page of Pentacles energy is there in July. So there is some new venture that you are starting, and that is going to give you some kind of money. It is money. So it is an immature energy. This is a new thing that you have started, or you might be able to start something new in your life. That's that new business that you always wanted to start, that new relationship that you always wanted to start. Whatever it is in July, it is going to give you some good results. Okay, this is a beginning, so don't expect it to blossom like a flower within 1 or 2 days. It is going to take your energy, take your time, and take your hard work to bloom. Okay, so this is kind of energy in July. You are starting something new. Maybe what I can feel is it is in a business or job related field, and you are going to get good results later on. Okay, not sooner but later. Okay, in August, this is the breakthrough. 10 of Swords. Cancerians, this is the end of a very, very painful cycle in your life, and this painful cycle will transform you into something very, very good and very, very supportive and very, very happy. This is the end of what we can say is the worst cycle of your life. You were hoping for this end from a very long time. You were not able to understand how to do this, but now the universe is helping you to get through this. See, this is the thing, that worst is over. You can see that this person is backstabbed, and this person is a very painful situation. It is going to be little painful for you. Obviously it is going to be little painful for you, but after this situation, after this 10 of Swords situation, you are going to bloom, you are going to blossom, you are going to be very happy, because the worst cycle in your life is over. This is very beautiful card. I am so happy saying this to you. The worst cycle is over in August. In September, see, after this worst cycle is over in September, what you are doing is you are celebrating with your family, your friends, or your close one. Maybe you are getting engaged, or maybe you are getting married, or maybe you are just enjoying somebody else's marriage or something like that. There is celebration in the on the way in September. You have come through a very bad phase of life. Now you are enjoying things that are coming your way. Now you are feeling like a happy-go-lucky kid. Cancerians are are very serious people by nature, most of the Cancers. So it is kind of energy. What I'm picking is, after a long phase of what I can say is emotional blockage, or some bad phase is over, you are going to enjoy your life in September 2021. It is a very beautiful energy, Cancerians. You must enjoy it. Okay, and in October, Queen of Pentacles energy in October, you are going to feel stable. Overall stability in your life is coming in September 2021. Wait, it's in October 2021. I'm really sorry. So in October 2021, overall stability is coming in your life, and you are enjoying. Can you see the Queen holding her pentacle, and she is on the throne. She is having all the beautiful things, all the beautiful luxurious stylish gown, and all that beautiful shit that you can imagine, from money to buy. Okay, so this is the thing, you are kind of feeling stable financially, you are kind of feeling on your throne, on your happiness, on your ground. Stability is there, particularly in financial area. So you are going to feel stable and happy in your financial area in the month of October. November, the star card is there in November. There's new opening, there's new beginning, there's new beautiful energy, new hopes are there. Beautiful, what I can say, see, this card is also kind of spiritual to me, because it holds 7 stars, and there's one star that is blinking, that is shining in between, that is a yellow star. So this person is very, very hopeful, very, very positive about the future. You are going to feel hopeful, positive. You are trying to balance out things. This person is balancing this water. So this person is trying to balance the inner and the outer world in himself, and it is a very beautiful and positive card, Cancerian. Excuse me. So in November, basically you are going to feel very good, very positive, very hopeful. There is some good news is coming, wish fulfillment I can see. So there is some kind of wish fulfillment is there in November, and you are going to feel happy, positive, and in a very, very beautiful zone in your life after so many years or so many months, I can say. Okay, in the last month of December, 9 of Wands is there. See, this person is standing his ground. This person feels like he's trapped in something. He's in kind of jail. But the good news is, no matter how wounded or how distrustful or how hurtful he is feeling, he's standing his own ground. He's taking his own actions. He's ready to fight anybody who is coming in his way. So this is kind of energy for you, Cancerians. No matter how hurtful the situation will become for you, in December you are going to fight for yourself. In December you are going to come out of your jail, come out of your situations very easily if you give a particular thing a positive way of thinking, a positive way of thought. So you have to take care of yourself, your mental health in December 2021, and you have to take your own ground, stand your own ground. You will be wounded, you will be feeling hurtful in December 2021, maybe because of some kind of issues, health issues, or conflicts in family matters. Whatever it is, you will come out of this situation very, very easily if you are going to think positively and take a positive step forward. Okay, so this is the reading for Cancerians for 2021. Sorry. So let's see what angels want to say to you in 2021. What angels want to say to Cancerians in 2021. Let's see quickly. Recovery, don't stop, is not the right time, and you have to wait. Improving health. What I can see, basically, these are the cards from angel. These are the messages from the angels. So you don't have to stop. Don't stop. Whatever you are doing in your life, you are on the right track. Don't stop. There is recovery. There is recovery from illness, maybe from emotional loss, maybe. What I told you, right? I told you in the cards as well that your painful cycle is ending. So recovery is also there in this year. I'm sorry. And improving health after recovery, and improving health, and don't stop. These are the messages for you from the angels. And wait for the right time, because whatever you are thinking of doing, this is not the right time. This present situation is not the right time to do anything that you are thinking for. Just wait for the right time for things to come out. Okay, so whatever I'm saying is, what I want to say to you in 2021 is, whatever you do in 2021, just analyze everything, the pros and cons, the negatives and positives, and just don't take any decision just for the sake of other people thinking, or maybe in the pressure, or maybe something like that. Take your own sweet time. Just don't do it whenever people think you should do it. You should do it when you think you should do it. Okay, I hope you're getting me right. So let's see quickly. Let's see quickly how is your career going to be in 2021. One card for Cancerians for career, please. Oh, this is Two of Cups. It is a very beautiful card in career as well. What I can feel is there's a joint venture or something. You are going to do something with the partner, or in a business or something, it is going to be a very very spiritual union, and that is going to help you a lot in your career or business as well. Okay, and one for the health thing, please. Health. Page of Wands. Okay, you will recover from something. You will be feeling very very happy and energetic, and what I can say is passionate about some work or something. So overall energy for 2021 for your health is going to be Page of Wands. It is going to be very childlike energy, passionate, and you are going to do things that you never tried in your life. Maybe this is the thing. Okay, and what is relationship thing? One card for the relationship thing, please. Sorry, just a second. One card for the relationship thing, please. Four of Pentacles. Don't hold anything too tight or too close to your heart, or too close to don't be so adamant. Basically, don't be so adamant. Basically, just go with the flow. Have a flow in your life. Don't restrict yourself. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys for 2021. I hope you like it, and if you like it, do let me know in the comment section. Do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends as well, and Happy New Year, Cancerians. God bless you, and Namaste. Love from India.